The first Beacon House started in Lahore in 1978. Main Boulevard at Gulberg, which is the house that we live in. It's my parents' house, and they started the school in the same house. We used to live upstairs and the school was downstairs. Then when the school grew, then we moved out of the house into another place and the entire property became Beacon House. So yeah, Beacon House has been a unique success story from the beginning.
नाम है बीकन हाउस
जी
सो ये बीकन का मतलब क्या है और ये कहाँ से आया कोई ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग थी बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली मिसेस नसरीन कसूरी स्टार्टेड दिस सो वो एक अलग नाम था और फिर करते करते फिर आप लोगों ने इसको इवॉल्व करके बीकन हाउस कर दिया
जी, वो नाम तो शुरू से बीकन हाउस ही था और इसका जो एग्जैक्ट ओरिजिन है ये तो आपको मेरी वालदा से ही पूछना पड़ेगा।
मॉन्टेसरी का कुछ था ना
जी जी जी, वो शुरू में 1975 के अंदर शी स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद अ मॉन्टेसरी स्कूल कॉल्ड डेज़ोंज मॉन्टेसरी एकेडमी, which is basically French for the angels, les anges. Yeah. And उस वक्त प्राइवेट सेक्टर को प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी स्कूल्स के अंदर एंट्री की इजाज़त नहीं थी क्योंकि आपको याद होगा कि वेल या आपको पता होगा कि भुट्टो साहब ने सब कुछ नेशनलाइज कर दिया था. So interestingly, it was General Ziaul Haq who allowed the private sector to come back into primary and secondary schooling. And so in 1978. And so in 78, Beacon House started. जब बीकन हाउस शुरू हुआ था तो उस वक्त लोगों के पास बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं थे.
ठीक है. या इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर
in private sector you only had the missionary schools,
ठीक है,
जो कि प्री पार्टीशन schools थे जिस तरह के एचएसएन कॉलेज या कॉन्वेंट्स थे, सेक्रेड हार्ट, कराची ग्रामर स्कूल etc. And as you know, they continue to have very limited capacity, and they were seen as an option for like the elite and the ultra elite.
Not for everyone,
not for most people. And then on the other hand, you had the public sector, you had government schools. So in between there was a huge void.
So जो middle lower class, middle upper class,
middle and upper middle के लिए कोई options नहीं थे. So Beacon House filled that void. So the first Beacon House started in Lahore in 1978.
1978. और कौन सी ब्रांच थी ये?
It was on the main boulevard at Gulberg, which is the house that we live in. It's my parents' house, and so they started the school in the same house. We used to live upstairs and the school was downstairs. And then when the school grew, then we moved out of the house into another place and the entire property became Beacon House. And then I think this is in 78, I think at some point in the 80s, the school moved out, Beacon House moved to Garden Town. And then we moved back into our house. But by that time, my mother had opened branches in Karachi, Islamabad, Rawalpindi. So the growth was very fast. I think she comes from a business family. Her father was an entrepreneur. He was a businessman. And in fact, he was one of the casualties of Mr. Bhutto because his factory was also nationalized. So anyway, that's something that she grew up with. And so I think she was very driven.
And ultimately, जब start हुआ था, so it was a co-education from day one, or it was boys' school or girls' school?
It was co-educational, I think, because जब start हुआ था, तो it was mostly primary classes.
ठीक है.
Okay, तो प्राइमरी के अंदर तो ज़्यादातर मिक्स ही होता है.
सेग्रेगेशन नहीं होती.
जी, और फिर जब सेकेंडरी के अंदर जाके वो सेग्रीगेशन हो जाती है, तो the boys were at Garden Town and then ultimately the girls were at Liberty Campus. And then we had, I mean,
Liberty Campus जो है वो आपका pioneer time of inception से.
Not time of inception, a few years after inception. It's probably been there since the 90s. But we had like boys and girls branches in the 80s as well. लेकिन प्राइमरी के अंदर मिक्स्ड ही होता है, वो सेकेंडरी के अंदर जाके सेपरेशन हो जाती है. Although interestingly, A level के अंदर फिर मिक्स्ड होता है. Not only in Beacon House but in most schools. But yeah, that's a whole different debate about whether co-education is preferable or single-sex schools. But so yeah, Beacon House was has been a unique success story from the beginning, and I guess continues to be, even though now, of course, there are many other schools, many other private schools which operate in the same space. Then, as you know, in the 2000s, in the early 2000s, we also, because we felt that due to the cost of everything, teacher training, bringing technology into the schools, purpose-built campuses, the cost of education at Beacon House, we felt had become quite high. So
Right.
we launched the educators as another option for people, as a more affordable option. So
फिर
educators has been,
कनकोडिया भी उसी की एक निशिस्त है।
जी
हाँ,
जी
यू केम अप विद कनकोडिया कॉलेजेस आके वो लोग जो मिस आउट कर रहे हैं
जी
सो
जी
सोशल इकोनॉमिकली सो वो लोग उसके साथ
जी
जो है ना
जी
कूप अप कर सकते हैं।